Hi friends, so today we are going to walk in the garden to collect some fruits. Actually we are going for walk to raise some fund for the village church. So this walk is it is the work from the youth, from the village youths. So the youths belong to the Catholic Church. So we work here to raise funds for the church to buy many things for the church, for the village church. So there are many young people ahead of us, and here just family, my family. Lot of fans. We had fans, we enjoy. And now we have reached in the garden. Quarter of it they have finished. I think they have given to someone else to collect. But we are going farther ahead.
We are inside the garage.
We are inside the garage.
So here we have reached in the middle of the garden where the owner is. And here we have started to work.
Oh, here we have
Some of them they have come earlier than us. So many of them they are still young and yeah,
Samla Umdeiñ.
they just in the stage of their adolescence, but not much adult. So most of them they are studying in the schools. Some of them are class 10. Some and many of them are still studying in standard 8 or in 7 standard. They really work hard. So after we have collect from the plant, from the main room, so we tie it with bamboos, so it is easy for us to dry. So we are tying like that. And later in the evening we have to measure how many kgs, and accordingly we get paid. 1 kg it costs around 6 rupees. So but we are many of us who managed to get big kgs. Please do support us, the Balang Snang.